What's up, everybody? This is Kiki from Team Reese Travels, and I am here at the Embassy Suites in downtown Pittsburgh, and I'm getting ready to give you a room tour. You guys already know how much I love Embassy Suites. It's just one of my favorite places. The amount of amenities that you get for the price, you just can never beat it. And so I usually tend to stay here when I'm on a work trip, and I am on a work trip. So I am going to show you what the room looks like. It is better than the last Embassy Suites I showed you, y'all. The room is way better. You want to see it? You want to see it? You know what you got to do if you want to see it? You got to hit that like button. I ain't going to sell it to you till you hit the like button. Hit that like button so you can see it. Thank you. All right, let's go. All right, guys. So as you walk into the room, let me show you, that's the front door. I just walked in through the door. To my left, you have the restroom here. It's a nice updated restroom. I love the shower. You guys know how much I love a glass door on a shower as opposed to a curtain. I do not like curtains on the shower. So we got a nice glass door here. You can tell that the tile in the bathroom has been updated, and of course, a toilet here, standard toilet. All right, got your toilet, got your toilet paper, nothing special there. A little bit of artwork on the wall. We have a mirror here. Let's see if this mirror lights up. Oh, the mirror lights up, y'all. You can see that mirror lights up really well. So also behind me, full length mirror. Okay, all right, full length. Check the shirt, humble flex. Click the link below to get 10% off your order of this shirt. All right, so back out. Now, back over here, I have a nice desk area. So I have my laptop playing. I have my own videos playing. I'm watching our Halloween on the High Seas vlog from the Disney Fantasy. So this is a nice desk area. Excuse my stuff, y'all. You know I got my stuff everywhere. I got my bag, laptop bag, my raincoat, purse over there, got my mask, phone, all of it. It's a desk area. That's what a desk is for. But anyway, right behind the desk is a sink. Got a bucket for some ice here, a couple of cups. I love when you have the paper cups in the room instead of those glass ones. Cause y'all ever seen the videos about what be going on with those glass ones? Ugh. Okay, coffee maker here. Looks like you can put the pods or something right there. What's down here? Oh, okay. Microwave down here and a refrigerator. See how much room is in this refrigerator. The refrigerator does not feel cold. But all right, whatever. Let's see. This is probably just trash. Oh yeah, just empty spot here. Okay. Over here we have a sofa and a little kind of desk side table or side table, end table, I guess that's what you call that. Oh, I don't know if I showed, but over there on the desk there is an outlet for 2 spots and a phone. Regular outlet over here too by the lamp. There's some really good lighting in this room. All right, so we got some drawers here. Let's see how much space we got in these drawers. Those big drawers. 3 big drawers, y'all. All right, anyway, over here you have the bed. It is a king size bed. Lots of pillows piled up on this choke. Where they piled these pillows up? What are y'all doing with y'all life? That's funny. We have, by the bed on both sides, we have an outlet. Has 2 sides. And that is also 2 USB ports right between. This is a lamp that turns the lamp on and off. And I think, is this a reading light? This is a reading light. So you also have a reading light there if you wanted to do some reading and didn't want to have the lights on bothering everybody else. Come around to the other side. Same thing here, 2 outlets and 2 USB ports. Another telephone. It looks like what may be a closet here. Yep, you got a closet there. Got an iron. Got hangers. all that kind of stuff. You got a safe here if you need one. Over here is the window. So it's not a great view from straight on. However, if you come over here, you can kind of see Pittsburgh a little bit out there. See? Oh yeah, not the best view, but it's all right. But anyway, I'm getting ready to go downstairs because I want to show you, wait, is it downstairs? Upstairs. I actually have to go upstairs. I am staying on the 23rd floor, and this is a suite. It's Embassy Suites. But anyway, I'm on the 23rd floor, and I'm about to go up to the 25th floor where they have the cocktail hour and they have breakfast there. So I'm really excited to get a little bit of the cocktail hour for you. And then if I can, I'll come back in the morning and get some breakfast shots for you. All right, let's go. So guys, like I said, I was staying on the 23rd floor, and the bar area is actually upstairs at the very top of the building on the 25th floor. So I took the elevator upstairs, got off, and the bar area was immediately to my left. Now, the complimentary cocktail hour was offered from 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. and I showed up right in the middle of it. There were lots of people congregating, so I decided to just go back later on. That way I could get better footage for you guys. When I went back, there was plenty of seating available at the bar and at the regular tables that are around the bar, as well as some highboy tables and some comfy couches that are nearby as well. Now, there's also two big windows that offered an incredible view of the city. You can also see one of the rivers that runs through Pittsburgh through one of these windows. Now, fun fact about Pittsburgh, there's actually 3 rivers that converge: the Allegheny River, the Monongahela River, and the Ohio River. And that is why Pittsburgh has been dubbed the City of 3 Rivers. Now, I always talk about how much I love Embassy Suites because they have the best hot breakfast. I decided I could show you way better than I can tell you. So here's some footage of the complimentary breakfast, which includes a made-to-order omelet station, which I love, and plenty of other hot breakfast items like eggs, bacon, sausage, a toast station, fresh fruit, yogurt, cereal, assorted juices, and more. And I tell you, my breakfast was just as good as always. I hope you enjoyed getting a look at the hotel, getting a look at the breakfast bar, getting a look at the cocktail area. I just want you to see what options are out there. Embassy Suites is pretty standard across the board as far as the look of the rooms. Now, they vary in how old the rooms are, so that can make a difference. But as far as what you get amenity-wise and the look of the rooms, the suite style is pretty standard across the board, unless you come across one that maybe doesn't offer the cocktail hour, but they do all have the breakfast. All right, guys, well, that is it. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you liked it, I hope that you already hit the like button. You should have hit the like button because I wasn't supposed to show it to you till you hit the like button. But anyway, I hope you hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Please consider subscribing to our channel. We would love to have you as a part of the team. And click that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time we post a new video. And also, I don't know what day it is when you're watching this, but y'all, we're doing lives every Sunday now. We are live on our YouTube channel at 5:45 p.m. Central Standard Time every single Sunday for Sunday shenanigans. You don't want to miss it. Come back. I know you want to be involved in the shenanigans. I know you do. Come on back. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. And until the next vlog, Team Reese all day.